innovation to do life younger. Hey guys, welcome to LiFe-Younger's channel. Here is Mia speaking. Today, I would like to introduce our innovative energy solution design, iDrawers. iDrawers is a home energy storage system, which is to store excess electricity generated from the renewable energy sources or off-peak hours, allowing homeowners to utilize these stores when needed. Let's see our iDrawers together. Our iDrawers is all-in-one system, consists of rechargeable battery, energy management system, and inverters. Locky panel to prevent others to operate. Function indicator to indicate the equipment status or operation mode. It can offer 5 to 20 kWh battery capacity. There is 5 kWh per pack. You can stack the battery packs to extend capacity. Our home energy storage system can also use as an EV charger. Let's see how it works. First of all, turn on the home storage system. Finally, connect the portable charging gun to the car. And then, just plug the portable charging gun's power plug into the home storage output plug. iDrawers offer a range of benefits, including energy independence, cost savings, environmental sustainability, and backup power, making them a valuable investment for homeowners who are reduce their carbon footprint and enhance their energy resilience. Next, I would like to introduce our wall-mounting home energy storage system. Our system is a compact and efficient solution designed to store excess electricity generating from the renewable energy sources or during off-peak hours. It can offer 5 to 10 kWh battery capacity. You can also stack battery packs to extend capacity. The wall-mounted configuration allows for easy installation on a variety of wall surfaces, making efficient use of limited space in residential settings. Our systems can offer space-saving, efficient, and user-friendly solutions for homeowners and business. People are looking forward to harness the benefit of renewable energy, reduce electricity costs, and enhance their resilience in environmental sustainable manner. iDrawers is your best choice. All of this is about our brief introduction of our iDrawers. If you are interested in more information, welcome to contact us through the following ways. Thank you for your watching.